Hi, it's Rob Weeks from ForexMorningTradeReviewed.com, and I'm going to show you some of the results we've been getting over the last couple months. I'd show you March, except we're only in the middle of the month, so I'm going to go to February. This is the trading journal. The author posts all his picks here, and let's just go through them. There's two columns. This is doing it manually, and this column is using the robot. I suggest you do it manually the first couple weeks and maybe try the robot after you're really comfortable with the system. So the 1st of February we had a long trade at 1.6065. That's our entry, and this system uses a profit target of 35 pips. So let's check out the software here. This is what it looks like. See our currency pairs here, and usually it's easier to see everything, but I had to scrunch it up to fit in the window. So let me go to the 1st of February real quick. Sorry about that. Alright, here's the 1st of February, and as you can see, it's one trade a day. That's how the system works. We have our blue line indicating when the trade takes place, and you want to start the trade right at the beginning. Same time every day. So here's 1st of February. So this is a go here, and our profit target is 35 pips. So with an entry of 1.606, our profit target is 1.61. So it went up a little bit, didn't hit the target. Went down a little bit, it didn't hit the 40 pip stop loss that we use. But then it just shot straight up all the way to 1.61, so that's where we got our profit. So let's go to 2nd of February, another long trade. 1.6158 was the entry. So let's see, 2nd of February, entry. It opened at 1.615 and just shot straight up. Let's see, 1.615. The profit would be profit target. It's going to be about 1.619, so it went up. Right about between these two candles is when it hit the target. Now let's go to the 3rd of February. That was no trade. So that happens when you don't get each of the two criteria, and it'll tell you up here. Right now it's not time, so it says not time for trade, but if you're looking at it in real time, it would have said no trade for your signal. Otherwise it'll say long or short. Now let's go to the 4th of February. We had a short trade with the profit. We entered at 1.6138, so our profit target would be about 1.61. So let's go to the 4th of February. So we see 1.638, 6138 entry point. It went up here against us, but it didn't hit the 40 pip stop loss, and then it went back down here to our 1.61 profit target right about here. So that was good. And then the week as a total gave us a 75 pip profit. Let's look at the 2nd week of February. Have a long trade here. I'm going to go a little bit quicker because I don't want the video to be too long. So 7th of February, right here, it went up, hit our profit. Profit target 1.6172. Hit it right there. And then 8th of February was a long trade, but we lost on this one. So let's see what happened. Entered at 1.6148. Up here we see the entry point. 1.6. It opened at 1.6146. Went up a little bit, but then it went against us. So we lost on that one. Oops. Then again on the 9th, another long trade and another loss. So 1.608 was the entry. And our target would have been about 1.612 would be our profit target. But we could see it went all the way up to 1.609, didn't quite hit our profit target, and then it zigzagged and eventually we got stopped out. If you were actually watching the trade, what you would do is once it hit a 20 pip profit, you would adjust your stop loss to your entry price, so it removes all risk on the trade and you wouldn't have lost the 40 pips down here. But if you would just set it and walk away, tough break on this one. The robot would actually handle that for you, by the way, adjusting your stop loss. So we had those two losses, but then two more profits on the 10th and 11th, both short trades. So let's just look at those real quick. The 10th, short trade. The 11th went up a little bit, and then we got a profit down here. I'll just quickly show you the summaries for the rest of them. 23 pips profit, second week of February. Third week, 28 profit. And the fourth week, 70 pip profit. So that was a nice week. The total profit for the month of February was 260 pips. You're not going to get this every month, but this is definitely doable with Forex Morning Trade. The guy recommends a 2% profit for each trade, or a 2% risk, but I recommend about 5% if you want to be more aggressive. That's my strategy, is to make money faster. I'm not that patient really, but I'll show you the results for some of the other months here. So right now, March, we're a little bit positive right now. Second week, or the first week, was 65 pip profit. Second week, 44 pip loss. So far 20 pip profit. And then this week so far, we're at a 5 pip loss. So we're looking at a 15 pip profit right now in March. Now, January, we had a loss. 62, and then there was a loss in December as well. It was 177. Now I've seen this a couple times, having a loss in December, so I recommend avoiding December. I think things are just too hectic during the holiday season, so just stay out of it. November was good. We had 54 pip profit for November, and October was 200, so that was a good month. I got to end this quick. September was good, 150, and August was also good, 40. You can see archived results. The Trading Journal only goes back to August last year. You see archived results here, and there's only 5 losing months in the last 2 years. So we're talking 27 months with only 5 losing months and 22 profitable months. There's some big ones, 320, 400, 400. Overall, you're definitely going to make money with this in the long run. If you have a bad month here and there, don't let that discourage you. Just keep doing it. You're going to do well. I'm still paper trading it, but I'm going to start using real money pretty soon. I'm getting really confident with it. I suggest you do the same. And hope you like this video. Have an awesome day.